Nokia is a very old and excellent smartphone manufacturing company. Nokia Phone Manufacturing Company is a company on which people trust the most. If you also want to buy a good 5G smartphone in mid-budget, then Nokia is bringing a great smartphone for you. In this great smartphone, you are going to get MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor with 150 megapixel camera. Oh, that too at a very low price. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Zeno Max 5G smartphone. So if you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Zeno Max 5G. First of all, if we talk about the display among the features of this great smartphone of Nokia, then you get to see a 6.85-inch Super AMOLED display, which comes with 4K resolution. Apart from this, it has a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. An in-display fingerprint sensor will also be seen in it. Camera setup. Talking about camera setup, you get to see triple camera setup inside this mobile, whose main camera is 150 megapixels. Apart from this, two other cameras of 32 megapixels and 5 megapixels have been installed in it. If we talk about the selfie camera of this mobile, then inside it you get to see a 50 megapixel selfie camera. Processor. If we talk about the processor in this smartphone, then MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor has been installed inside it. Also, if we talk about the operating system, you get to see Android 15 operating system inside it. Battery backup. Talking about the battery backup of the smartphone, you get to see a powerful 6500 mAh battery inside it, which supports USB Type-C charging port with 65-watt fast charging. Price or launch date. If we talk about the price of this mobile, its price is expected to be around $600. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it yet, but it is expected that it can be introduced by the end of this year.